as health experts race to better understand the COVID Omicron variant. A panel of FDA advisors just narrowly recommended Merck's COVID pill for emergency use. That vote, 13-10. If U.S. regulators sign off, it'll be the first pill authorized to treat COVID, and Americans could get it by the end of this year. Merck reports its pill reduces the risk of hospitalization and death by 30% among high-risk COVID patients. The early estimate was 50%. CNBC's Meg Terrell covers science and medicine for us. Meg, is this pill effective enough to make a real difference?
Yeah, Shep, that was among the key debates this panel of advisors had today. A large number felt the potential risks of the medicine don't necessarily outweigh the benefits shown in the trial, especially if other treatment options are available. Now, the issue is the way the drug works to stop the virus. It forces errors as the virus replicates. That raised theoretical concerns on two fronts, that the drug could cause other variants to arise, or that it could lead to cancer or birth defects if given in pregnancy. The panelists who voted yes, though, noted the drug is only given for 5 days, so those risks aren't high. Many did, however, recommend the drug not be used in pregnancy. Merck's Dr. Eliav Bar also told us the companies looked closely at these issues.
Our expectation is from all the data that we've seen and all the preclinical work that we've done and the broad safety database from the study, that there shouldn't be long-term effects.
And while the efficacy of the drug appeared to drop between the interim and final analyses, many panelists who voted in favor noted the strong overall results in preventing deaths. There were 9 deaths among those who got placebo compared with 1 who received the medicine. The decision now goes to the FDA, which could clear the drug within days. It's also expected to act soon on Pfizer's antiviral, which showed 89% protection against severe disease and death earlier this month. Now, the government has bought more than 3 million treatment courses of Merck's drug and 10 million of Pfizer's, should they be cleared. And importantly, these drugs are expected to hold up against Omicron, potentially giving them an even more important role as that variant spreads. Shep?
Meg Terrell, thank you.